Hello everyone and welcome to another simple tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove text on video using the Capcut app. To begin with, I'll create a new project and import the video that I want to edit. So I'll click on new project. Alright guys, here we are on my phone gallery. So I'll go ahead to choose the video that I want to edit. The video have been added to our timeline and this is what it looks like. So to remove the text, what I'll do next is to take a screenshot of this video. Okay. After taking the screenshot, I'll exit the Capcut app to go to my gallery to edit the screenshot I just took. The next thing I'm going to do is to crop out the unnecessary parts in the image. All right, so I have successfully cropped out the unnecessary parts that I don't want to be in this image. I'll go ahead and save the image. So after saving this image, I'll exit my gallery to go to my apps. If you don't have the Smart Edit app, you can go to Google and download it. All right, I'll just click on the Snap Edit app. I'll click on Remover. Go ahead and choose the project we want to edit. What I'll do right now is to reduce my brush size. Reduce it. You see it's reducing. Okay. I think this size is okay. To brush out the text, click on brush. Use the brusher to brush it out. Like this. When you are done removing the text you want to remove, then you click on the blue remove button. Now our text has been successfully removed. Then we'll save our project. The next thing we are going to do is to go back to CapCut and continue editing our video. This is the original video and this is the one we just edited on the Snap Edit app. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click, and then I'll go to my menu section, overlay. Okay, so you see our clip is now on the overlay section. Drag it all the way up. The next thing is to click on the overlay. I'll go to my menu again. Click on mask. Choose circle. Resize the circle to fit the text we want to cut out from our video. The text have been removed entirely. There is no trace of it. So let's watch the video to see what it looks like. There's no trace of anything. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you gain value at the course of this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a thumbs up, as it helps my channel to grow. Thank you very much and see you on my next one. Bye bye.